I'm about to hit my morning cardio and thought it would be the perfect time to start a load of laundry and wash my bed sheets. So this morning, we're going to be trying out the new Ornament scent by Laundry Sauce. If you don't already know, Laundry Sauce is a company that makes these premium scented, very luxurious laundry detergent pods with scents that are very similar to men's cologne or perfumes. Besides just smelling really good and coming in this cool looking box, these laundry pods are really convenient because since they're all contained in these pods, you don't have to waste time with putting your laundry detergent in a measuring cup, measuring it out, and then pouring it in and dealing with cleaning up the mess. All you have to do is throw one of these pods either directly into the laundry detergent drum or in the laundry detergent container, and you're good to go. And for a guy like me who works out a lot, sweats a lot, and therefore has to constantly do laundry, this has been game-changing because it makes washing my clothes effortless. Since the team at Laundry Sauce sent me this new scent to try and I have these in hand, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use one of these to wash my bed sheets, and then we're going to test out this new scent and see whether or not it's a hit or a miss. All right, here we go. Just finished showering after our morning cardio. The bed sheets are done washing, so I'm going to throw them into the dryer, adding one of these Ornament scented dryer sheets from Laundry Sauce as well for a bit of an extra scent boost. Simple as that. Now I'm going to head out to church, going to come back when the laundry is done drying, and then we're going to see how it smells. We're back now after several hours and the laundry's done, so let's check it out. You definitely smell the mint in it. It's definitely more of like a natural mint scent. So the sheets smell really clean and fresh and minty if you've ever smelled like a mint plant, but not minty in the way that you might imagine like your toothpaste or mouthwash or something like that. Personally, I do think that Laundry Sauce's original Australian sandalwood scent had a much stronger presence and fragrance when I smelt it. So if you prefer bolder fragrances or something that's going to be more immediately noticeable in your bedroom, then that scent's probably for you. But if you prefer fragrances that are more gentle and subtle and just make your sheets smell really clean and fresh, then this Ornament one is definitely for you. And I do feel like after using this, having this scent near my head on my pillow, I'm going to be able to sleep really well. So if you're looking for a way to make doing your laundry more mess-free, more efficient, and smell really fresh every time at the same time, pick up these Ornament scented laundry pods by Laundry Sauce along with these dryer sheets for yourself today, and you're going to be set.